YouTube, I'm Mike with the Tutorial Arena, and today I'll show you a very basic but essential part of any website, and that is links. Now I've got four main types of links. Those are internal, external, email, and anchor points. Now the first, internal links. Those are basically links to any file inside your site. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is go up to the common menu and click this little hyperlink icon. The text is what will show up. Internal link. That's what the text will be. And the link is where, when you click it, where the link will take you. So I'll just have it go to a random spot. Now the target, that's more for tabs or windows. Now I'll only be using new or self. Parent and top are pretty much the same thing as self, and blank is pretty much the same thing as new. So I usually use a new target. So I'll just set it to new, and the title, as far as I can tell, it's just a mouse over. And then access key and tab index, I really won't go over those. I'll just explain. Tab index is when you're pressing tab, the order of which it'll be selected. So 1, 2, 3, whatever. And click OK. And there it is. That's pretty much all you need to do. Now, there is a second way to do that, and it's maybe a bit easier. All you need to do is make your text without clicking that little icon. Highlight it and go down to the link. And if you want it to be internal, you can just pick whip over to your local files, or look it up in your computer. Now you can also just type in the link or copy paste it. And the title and the target is pretty much the same as this window. And the next thing we have is external links. That's basically just going to a different page. So it's the same thing, only the only difference between internal and external is internal is a local file, which will be in your actual site, and external takes you to a different website. Now the next thing I have is email, or email links. Now that's also very simple. You just need to go click the email icon right next to the hyperlink, click it, and text email. And it'll just be the text to show up and the email, obviously. And click OK, and there you go. And the next one and last one is a bit more complicated, but it's not that bad. It's an anchor point. Now these are very, very useful. An example of this would be Wikipedia. Now there can be a lot of content in this website, so anchor points make it a lot easier for users to go up and down on a web page without having to scroll up and down. An example of an anchor point would be right here. So you got links right here, and you just click it and it goes down to a page without going to a new URL. And it just takes you to different sections. So I'll show you how to do that. All you have to do is click named anchor, this little anchor icon, anchor name, just a different section of your web page section. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's capitalized or not, but the next thing you have to do is make some text anchor, highlight it, and link a number sign or a sharp sign and whatever you named this anchor point. So I named it section. So I highlight it, number sign, section. Be sure to match case. And that's all you need to do. Now if you want it to go to a different section of the web page, you can just move this little anchor icon, scroll up here, say to up here to the top of the page. So there you go, a section, and that's all you need to do. Now another use for the anchor points is back to top. Websites commonly use these type of anchor points. Now it's a bit easier. You don't have to actually make an anchor point. You just need to highlight the text and put a number sign or a sharp sign, and that'll take you to the top of the page. And that's all I have for links today. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.